gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. Thank you for the great response for yesterday's cutwork sari, where we are left out with one or two pieces, that's it. And today it's going to be the colorful half gicha sari which I'm wearing. It looks really wonderful and it gives a really rich look, and the flow of the sari, it's too nice, and what to say, it's not transparent, so that you can wear it as a single pleat. And what is the importance of the sari is, it gives little richness because of these embroideries, but still the sari is not heavy when you wear it. Alright, see the collections we have right now. Beautiful collections. And for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. So hope you are seeing beautiful colors which we have right now. Alright, we'll start this show. And this is a beautiful violet color all over design. The sari comes this way. See this. One sari I will open fully and show so that you guys can understand. This is the pallu part, alright, and this is the shoulder part, shoulder and pallu, and then the all over designs for the pleat area. This comes this way. So this concept is the same for all the saris. One or two saris may differ, I will mention that also. So it has a running blouse this way. So this concept is going to continue in these saris which I am going to show. Alright, this is one concept, and the second, the designs are totally different. We can find one or two colors in each design. That time only one color in one design. So this is how the sari looks, and the embroideries are so nice and amazing. You can mix and match like how I have worn, or something different contrast, or else you can go for a plain ones also. Once again, purple, violet color. This is violet color. So this is how the sari look. See, upside down it is. This is how the sari look. And see, the next design is this. See this. Such a beautiful saris. These are all. Alright. See this. Amazing saris. The color is very soft and subtle. Some colors are really deep, and some colors are soft. Some colors are bright. However, you guys, your taste are, you can go for. All the time I can't update just a single taste. That's why in each episode, if you find, I'm updating different tastes. Like in the sari itself, some go for a bright, bright and vibrant color like this. So you can mix and match. If we are all unique, everybody have their unique taste, and we can't be judgmental. Oh, this is nice, this is not nice. So however, it depends upon individual's taste. I strongly believe in that. So this is how it looks. Such a beautiful concept. These are all the colors I really want to open and show, so that from there you can understand how the sari really looks. See this? Such a pretty, beautiful saris. The concepts. So you guys can immediately click the above link which I have mentioned in our video for prices and product descriptions. Some may not be online friendly. At the time, you can seek our guidance or assistance to our WhatsApp number 95855016762. Alright, you can contact this. See, such a beautiful, amazing sari. This is for the pleat area, and this is the shoulder pallu. Such a beautiful, these are all embroideries, all are machine embroideries. And then comes our half white. These are all half gicha. It means it's not original gicha. So for these economical range, the sari look are really great. See, when this comes, this is a simple sari without much embroideries. So according to your taste, you can go for, and the sari comes as such. See this. So the sari fully, the sari comes this way. Okay, and this could be the blouse. And then I have got one more color in this. Same concept. It's a simple sari. See this? The sari full comes this way, and the blouse is a plain blouse. You can wear this way also if you want to see the embroidery. And one more color. I've got four beautiful color in this. Some prefer simple sari, so for them the sari is the best thing. And the weight of the sari, while wearing, weight of the sari is really lightweight. Alright, and one more color is this. Such a beautiful colors. These are all half gicha sari, so that you can mix and match however you want the blouse to be, or else you can wear the same color blouse however you want it. Your taste, guys, and you're going to wear. Just select what you want to. So this is the sari, full sari, and it comes this way. All or with running blouse with this border. The border portion is really subtle, and it is not golden color. Yeah, it gels with the black or pink, however it is the sari is, and that is the amazing part of the sari. So this is how the sari is. So this is shoulder pallu. Hope you guys can understand. And then the rest of the portion is this. Alright, and I have got beautiful colors in these. See this. Two. And then the third color is this. Such a beautiful saris. These are all of little economical ranges, because once when you wear the sari, it won't look of this range. So these are all machine embroideries. So the sari is really light to wear, and right from the morning you can till night you can wear the sari because it's so friendly. See this. So such a beautiful saris these are all. And then comes this. All are nice super duper saris. See this. So the pleat area comes this way. This is for the pleat area. All nice beautiful black. So enjoy shopping with Shivani's boutique. This will come under the heading half tussar, but this is half gicha, so that for you guys, for making the shopping easy, we have clubbed both the half tussar and half gicha together. But please read the descriptions carefully before placing your orders. And the colors may slightly change because of this light and because of the sunlight, so that some may get confused. This color is little different. If you need any assistance, you can WhatsApp to our number. The actual color will be seen in the photograph, but still, however, certain colors will we are not able to capture the right color. A tinge of difference here and there may come for certain colors like blue, green, and some English colors. So this is how it is, the sari. Such a beautiful sari. So nice. It is multicolored, and I've got very beautiful stuff, very beautiful colors. Such a nice, beautiful color. See this color. So nice it is. See how beautiful the sari is. For the shoulder pallu, this jal enter this comes, and rest of the portion like how I am wearing. You can see like how I am wearing the sari. All right. And the next design is this. All nice, beautiful, pretty designs. I'm showing it to you today. This is going to be the festive time, and also so many weddings are happening. So for these things, you can definitely go for the sari somewhere outside for a party. So stay safe all the time. That is very important. All right. And this is how the sari looks. Such a beautiful sari. Red colors are now in trend, and people keep asking me, I want red color. So red color of the sari is also very pretty. And then my last designs is this. Super duper designs. These are all amazing designs. White is so pretty, and black is also so pretty. Of course, it depends upon the color taste and which embroideries you want. So however, you can go for it. See. last saree is this. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our colorful super duper gicha saree like what I'm wearing. This is such a beautiful saree and it's lightweight also, but the embroidery looks heavy, but still it is a lightweight saree. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away leads to you to that page. If any assistance, please WhatsApp to our number 958 550 1762. That's it. Stay safe and bye bye.